morning, children. In these series of videos where we are learning about the chapter tenths and hundreds, we have learned the places tenth as well as hundredth. Children, in this video, we are going to learn how to write the expanded form of the decimal numbers. Till now, you have studied how to write the expanded form of whole numbers. For example, 423. When we write it in expanded form, we come to know that there are 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 3 ones. So this information becomes very useful to us. Similarly, we must learn how to write the expanded form of decimal numbers. So children, let's start that. Expanded form of decimals. So children, today we are going to learn how to write the expanded form of decimal numbers. Now, the very first thing which I want to remind you is, if there is a number like 245.67. Now, to the right of the decimal is the fractional part. This is the fractional part, and to the left of the decimal is the whole number part. This is the whole number. And the places are 5 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 6 is at tenth place, tenth, TTH, and 7 is at hundredth place. Now when we will have to expand it, then we will multiply the digit at ones place by 1, the digit at tens place by 10, the digit at hundred place by 100, the digit at tenth place we will multiply by 1 upon 10. Since the 10th place digit is the number of parts out of 10 equal parts, and we will multiply the 100th place digit by 1 upon 100. Okay, let us see. Now, 346. If we have to expand it, very easy. 300 plus 40 plus 6. Okay, if it is 346.9, it will be 300 plus 40 plus 6 plus 9 upon 10. Why 9 upon 10? Because 9 is at the 10th place and we have multiplied 9 by 1 upon 10. Okay, now let us take another example. Suppose the number is 346.97. Then the expanded form will be 300 plus 40 plus 6 plus 9 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. Why 7 upon 100? Because 7 is at 100th place, beta. It is at 100th place and we have to multiply 7 by 1 upon 100. Okay. Now let us take a few more examples. If the number is 0.6, so the expanded form of this number will be 0 plus 6 upon 10. This 0 is this one, and for 0.6 we have written 6 upon 10. Okay. Now if the number is 5.3, so the expanded form would be 5 plus 3 upon 10. Here 5 is whole, so 5 whole, and this is the fractional part. So it is at 10th place, so plus 3 upon 10. Okay. If the number is 0.02, then the expanded form would be 0 plus 0 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100. Now this 0 is for this 0. This 0 upon 10 is for this 0, beta. And 2 upon 100 is for this digit which is at 100th place. Now children, if we add 0 or 0 upon 10, 0 piece out of 10 equal pieces, this is also 0 and this is also 0. So for this number, we can straight away write 2 upon 100. There is no need to write this. We can omit this or we can write this. It is our wish. I have written this to explain it to you how we are supposed to write the expanded form. Okay, suppose the number is 3.08. The expanded form would be 3 plus 0 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. Now beta, this 3 is whole number, so this is 3 whole number. At the 10th place, there is a 0. So I have written 0 upon 10 for this 0, and I can leave it also. You can just leave this. And 8 is at 100th place, so I have written 8 upon 100 for this. So 3.08 can be written as 3 plus 8 upon 100. Okay, let us take one more example. 25.63. Now all of us know how to expand 25. Very easy. 20 plus 5. Now we have to expand 0.63. Now 6 is at 10th place, so we will write down plus 6 upon 10. 3 is at 100th place, so we will write down 3 plus 3 upon 100. So this is how we are supposed to expand 25.63. Let us take one more example. 48.01. Now all of us know how to expand 48. And remember beta, this is the whole number part. 48 is the whole number part. So children, 48 will be 40 plus 8. Now we have to expand 0.01. Now again beta, 0 is at the 10th place. So if I want, I can write down plus 0 upon 10. But I told you 0 upon 10 is 0. So we will just leave it this time, and straight away we will come to the 100th place where we have 1. So we will write down plus 1 upon 100. So this is how children we write the expanded form of the decimals. I also want to tell you how I have been reading the decimals. This decimal number is 346.97. We don't read it as 97 beta. We do not read it as 97. Why? Because 9 is at the 10th place and 7 is at the 100th place. So we read it as 346.97. Same way, this number is read as 0.02. This number is read as 3.08. This number is read as 25.63. Beta, we are reading 25 as 25 because 5 is at the 1's place and 2 is at the 10's place. That is why 20. 2 tens means 20. So that is why we are reading it as 25.63 and not as 25.63. That would be wrong. We will read this number as 25.63. That's all for today children. Thank you and have a nice day.